just moved to a new place. I need to get a duplicate key. It's a good thing there's a self-service machine inside Walmart. This looks pretty easy to operate. Just press on copy key to get started. Insert your key.
Key scan starting.
Key scan is quick.
Take the dog.
Let's see what other options are there. The dog is the best one for me. Let's start making the duplicate key. And because I am in New Hampshire, there will be no taxes applied. I'll be paying cash today. Make sure you have the exact amount. Insert your cash. Coins are not accepted. It will pick out the dog key I selected earlier. At first, I wanted the electronic receipt. Then I figured I don't really need it. It's now going to carve the shape of the key. There it is, all done. Worth the $4 I paid for. It works.